All right, good Friday evening, everybody. Heading into the weekend finally with some good weather. 3 weekends ago, we had severe weather. 2 weekends ago, we had an ice storm. Last weekend, we had wind chills near zero. This weekend looks good. Yes, we do have a cold front coming through right now, but it's a dry front. We had very dry air over the state today, and because of that, and full of sunshine and a south breeze for most of the day, it actually warmed all the way up to 76 degrees. But now that the cold front is coming in, notice our winds are coming in from the north now, and it is going to be a cooler day tomorrow, but nothing extraordinary. We're looking at temperatures actually just returning back to average for early February, which is about a high of 60 degrees and lows back in the upper 30s. So, of course, we're quiet on Live IMAX 12. We do have a chance of rain next week, but I don't think it's coming in until really the end of the week. Until then, we're just going to watch our temperatures initially go down a little bit, and then they're going to go way up, and they're going to stay high for much of next week. Now, right now, we're at 48 degrees. I think we're going to be about 10 degrees cooler first thing in the morning, but everybody's staying above freezing. And then tomorrow, about 10 to 15 degrees cooler than today. We'll be at about 60 to, let's say, 65 degrees over most of the area with full sunshine on your Saturday. So, high pressure behind the front is going to be our weather maker now. That's going to give us a light northeast breeze, a dry breeze. So that's why we are going to see a lot of sunshine. Cool temperature Saturday, but by Sunday afternoon, the high pressure makes its way down to the panhandle of Florida. In this position, our winds turn right back in from the south, and that's when the warm-up will start. So, by Sunday morning, that's going to be our coldest morning at 35, but again above freezing, and then after that, we'll see our temperatures really take off. And then Saturday afternoon, that's going to be our coolest daytime temperature, and then, of course, cool Sunday morning, and then, well, we're going to see those winds turn back in from the south Sunday afternoon. That's when the warm-up starts, and then next week we stay warm with temperatures in the 70s. The only bad part about this is part of the state does need some rain. We are now in a moderate to extreme drought over southwestern Mississippi. Only 1% of the state in extreme drought, but that is all of Adams County. So they could really use some rain. We just don't have good chances in the forecast for much of the week ahead. Tonight's going to be fair and cold, a north wind, 39 degrees in the morning. Tomorrow, winds are going to be light from the northeast, the humidity low, full sunshine, the high temperature about 60 degrees. Sunday morning is our coldest morning at 35. Then, as those winds turn back in from the south, it'll be mostly sunny, right back up to near 70 by Sunday afternoon, and we'll be in the 70s. All of next week with lows mostly in the 50s, so it'll feel like spring. Comfortable in the morning, warm in the afternoon. Now, the humidity is going to be going up. Clouds will increase. We could see a stray shower as early as Tuesday, but we're going to hold off on our best chance of rain until a cold front moves through. Notice the drop in the temperature at the end of the week. Again, not a dramatic drop, but we're going to go from the 70s to the low 60s again. So when that front comes through, I think our chances of rain will be highest, but not still great, at just about 30 to 40% on Friday and on Valentine's Day, which is a week from tomorrow. All right, that's your forecast for tonight. Looks like smooth sailing for the weekend. Your next update will be coming from meteorologist Austin Powell. So keep watching this space. All right, have a good weekend.